Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make coffee with Dolce Gusto Piccolo XS. Begin by filling the reservoir with fresh cold water and powering on the machine. While it warms, pick your pod and rinse a cup if desired. Always check the drip tray position and choose the hot or cold setting on the dial. I will guide you through pod insertion, brew time, and tips to get consistent crema and flavor each time. First, prepare your Dolce Gusto Piccolo XS by rinsing and filling the reservoir to the max line, then place it back securely. Position the machine on a stable counter and plug it in, keeping the cord out of the way. Power it on and let the button blink until ready, then run a quick water-only cycle to warm internal parts. This simple setup improves brew temperature and consistency for every cup you make. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more coffee tips and quick guides. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading while your coffee brews and fits neatly on a small counter, making it a handy companion for slow sips and recipe browsing. Look in the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. With the machine ready, lift the handle and place your Dolce Gusto pod in the cradle, making sure it sits flat and secure. Close the handle, position your cup, and select the hot or cold setting as your drink requires. Use the flow dial to match the pod's suggested fill level and watch the extraction. When finished, lift the handle to eject the pod and clean the compartment to prevent buildup and stale flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.